All right, tonight we're also celebrating another achievement. Really, we're very grateful to all of you around the world, wherever you may be, for this fantastic figure that we've achieved. We've gotten now, and we are on match number 7. So 1 week in, basically, that we 7 or 8. We 1 week in, and we have 22 million views across YouTube for our shows. So that's 22 million views worldwide. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following us, and thank you for sending in your question. And because of that celebration, today we're going to take about 4 questions from our YouTube channel as well. So you can from today onwards, actually, हम आपके YouTube पे जो सवालात हैं वो भी चूँकि comment section में we see that you write a lot of questions as well.
Yeah.
So now if you write a question in the comment section using hashtag Ask the Room, we will take those questions. Today as well, we are going to take some questions from there. You know, Sunny bhai, this is...
And jalebi also, no?
And jalebi. अरे यार, जलेबी वाली बात तो आप मेरे दिल की बात कर दी आपने. आप बिल्कुल, आप यहाँ ही रुके.
No, celebration.
आप एक काम करें ना, आप यहीं रुके. आप मुझे चाहिए. हाँ, मेरे लिए बहुत फायदा रहेगा वरना ये जो मैं.
सनी भाई, सबसे पहले इसके मुंह में पानी आता है. ये कोई भी खाने की चीज हो.
ये 5 दिन से ना ये डाइट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. जब मैं इसकी प्लेट देखूं वो 2 बोटियां पड़ी हो इतने से और चावल भी नहीं खा रहा, रोटी भी नहीं खा रहा. मैं कह यार बड़ा इंप्रेस है. मैंने आज इधर मुंह किया है, इतनी नारी डाली हुई थी प्लेट में. एंड देन ही वेंट फॉर अ वॉक एट 4 o'clock. ही मैसेज मी वॉक पे जा रहा हूँ. मैं कहा बेटा वॉक से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना तुझे.
नहीं, वॉक से मैं आपको आज देता रहा हूँ तस्वीरें. वो मुझसे सबूत मांग रहे थे कि तू वॉक पे है कि नहीं. मुझे
पुरानी तस्वीरें होनी है. पुरानी
सारी पुरानी तस्वीरें थी. नहीं नहीं
तूने वॉक की तस्वीर जो मुझे भेजी उससे मुंह बनाया होता इसने.
Hashtag Ask the Room. अच्छा जनाब, this is अभिनवांकित आपका सवाल है. Hashtag Ask the Room. What difference does it make to have a cricket player to be board president, Saurav Ganguly for instance, than PCB president, someone who comes from administration background? What are the pros and cons of this, gentlemen? Waqar should take that question.
Yeah,
actually.
I think so.
Why should I take
तू उसी के ऐसे चुप करके बैठना है.
I'm just talking cricket. Yeah.
No.
Go on.
Yeah.
Repeat the question again.
अभिनवन का सवाल है कि what difference does it make to have a cricket player to be the board head or board president like Saurav Ganguly, then PCB president, someone who comes from administration background? What are the pros and cons of it? क्योंकि एक cricket player है जो जिसने इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेली हुई है और एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की साइड से आया हुआ है, गवर्नमेंट की साइड से ब्यूरोक्रेट या कोई इस तरह का वो है. So what difference? What are the pros and cons? एक जेन्युइन सवाल है, ये कोई किसी के वो नहीं है, इसलिए आप घबराएं नहीं, कोई आपको खतरा नहीं है.
नहीं वो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. मैंने सवाल सुना नहीं था ऑनेस्टली. ये है कि क्रिकेट का मैं समझता हूँ कि जो क्रिकेटर है, जो क्रिकेट के जो मैटर्स हैं वो क्रिकेटर से बेहतर कोई नहीं समझ सकता. ये तो पक्की बात है. वो आप नॉन क्रिकेटर्स को लाएंगे तो क्रिकेटिंग मैटर्स वो नहीं समझ सकता. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बैकग्राउंड का ये है कि आपके जो commercial side of cricket, international cricket है, he'll probably understand better. बाकी जो और जो क्रिकेट जिस तरह बाकी चलनी है, I feel के PCB का जहाँ तक ताल्लुक है, PCB I think they're moving toward it. There are a lot of cricketers who are being involved in domestic level also. Some big names are also involved in that, and I feel के it is going to work. But it's a matter of time. You have to be patient with that.
All right. CA हर्षल गर्ग आपका सवाल है. हर्षल गर्ग 11 आपका हैशटैग है. वो कह रहे हैं कि can you please ask Ajay Jadeja to demonstrate, Ajay, this is for you specifically, to demonstrate how Rohit has extra time and how he has such short range. What is the secret to his 6 hitting? He has 656s.
And why has he picked me?
I have no idea. He's picked you.
It's Rohit he's talking about.
No, but he's saying...
I think he's got I mean, ever since you've seen him, everybody talks about it, that when he's batting, he's effortless. So he doesn't look like a player that has hit so many 6s. And I think the reason for that is because he probably hits most of his 6s not because of power. It's more timing, understanding where a certain ball needs to be hit. And he has a range of the shots that you have. He would hit 6s over covers, mid-off, long on, long off. So he's got a larger range, and maybe that's why he can pick and hit more 6s than someone else. For example, आप पाकिस्तान से हैं, mostly people यहाँ पे, तो शाहिद अफरीदी को एक associate करता है आदमी 6s के लिए, लेकिन सारे 6s आपको एक जगह पे नजर आएंगे या एक गेंद पे. रोहित शर्मा की एबिलिटी आई थिंक ऐसी है कि वो टाइमिंग से मारते हैं तो वो हर गेंदबाज को अलग अलग जगह मार सकते हैं और उनका जब
टाइमिंग नेचुरल होती है कि वो जब आए थे पहली दफा 2007, 8, 9 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 70 किया था इन्होंने होबार्ट में, तभी पता लग गया था, हम इकट्ठे कमेंटेट कर रहे थे स्टार के लिए सनी भाई कि ये कोई आगे जाके बड़ा प्लेयर बनने वाला
He
है.
picks the line and the length very
Is
well.
that natural?
Well, yeah, it is.
It is.
It is. In a sense, it's God given. A lot of people work very hard.
Yeah.
But for him, he seems to pick the line and length very quickly, so he gets into that position to be able to hit the assist, whether it's off the front foot or whether it's
Yeah,
the full
it's
shot.
similar. Reminds me of great Inzamamul Haq.
Yes.
He was
Yeah.
also very effortless. वो इमरान भाई कहते थे कि ये फास्ट बॉलर के लिए इसके पास टाइम बहुत है. So it means that they pick the length quicker than the average person, or average batter.
Yes.
सनी भाई, the other day you were saying about Babar Azam कि वो अपना जो
Stance का.
stance है वो अपना change करें. He should चूंकि वो अभी थोड़े wide और low base खेल रहे हैं, that he should bring his feet together when he's standing. Elaborate a little bit on more of
सनी
that.
भाई, मेरे
would
साथ
that?
जरा आए ना वहाँ,
उधर
थोड़ा-
उधर please join us on the.
I'll come with Sunny भाई.
Yes, please.
तुझे चुप कर जाओ ना.
This is.
बोले
Ji. So, Sunny bhai, about Babar Azam's.
Where's the camera?
Yeah, did you Wasim just say, "Tusi chup kar jao"? Yeah, really? On air?
जी सनी भाई, standing
So
करके
at the
बैठे
moment, the stance is like this.
Yeah.
So with the stance being like this, see
Yeah.
your head has also gone down.
Yeah.
And if you want to move forward, it's a little easy. But back foot पे जाना है,
Uh-huh.
and a lot of quick bowlers will bowl you that length. They will not bowl you
वो
here.
hard length जो
Hard
कहते हैं.
length. Huh? So to be able to go there, your balance, the movement will not be easy.
Okay.
But the moment you get your feet a little close,
Iron.
firstly your height goes up.
Sure.
And once your height goes up, you're able to deal with the shorter ball better.
Okay.
And your movement will also be much quicker.
Okay.
And that is the only thing. So it's just a matter of getting the movement right. So this way, you're locked. You
But सनी भाई, in his defense, वो पिछले 30 साल से, I mean, he's 30 years old, वो कर रहा है, change हो सकता है ये?
बिल्कुल.
For
क्यों नहीं?
anyone.
Yeah. I think even Kohli.
Yeah.
Kohli also had a big
I remember,
start.
yeah.
And then he moved it just a little bit, fractionally.
Acha,
But
okay.
that fraction has given him much more better balance and the ability to go forward.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So that is the most important thing. Well, thank you so much, Sunny Bhaijan. Just we keep the bat here. Thank you so much, Wasim.
Thank you.
With that, we're going to take a jalebi break right here on the DP World Dressing Room. Sunny भाई, आए आप और मैं जलेबी ढूंढते हैं, क्योंकि ये तो लाने का मूड ही नहीं रखे, तो आप तो बीच में से रहे हैं, आपका डाइट का चक्कर है सारे का सारा. We'll see you after the break.